rocky Aravalli range, dense forests, an ancient capital, old ruins and some spectacular palaces. Alwar and the area around it will leave you spellbound. It is a land where history and nature come alive. The thick forests of the Siriska Tiger Reserve on the outskirts of Alwar are rich with life. They give you a sense of how the landscape might have looked in the most distant past. On the edge of this tiger reserve, you will find the region's most ancient heart. Berat is believed to be the site of the city of Viratnagar, the capital of the Matsya Janapada, almost 3000 years ago. It also finds mention in the epic Mahabharata. Later, an important Buddhist site during the Mauryan period, you will find ruins of a Buddhist Chaitya from the 3rd century BCE located on the foot of this hill known as the Bijak Ki Pahadi. There is even a famous rock-cut edict from Emperor Ashoka's time. One of the oldest monuments from the medieval period in Alwar is the Bala Killa or the Alwar Fort. This traces its origins to the Meena tribes who built the first fortification here. It was taken over by the Khansada Rajput rulers during the Delhi Sultanate period in the 14th century. Pitched battles have been fought here. The city palace of Alwar represents the next phase of the region's history. After the fall of the Mughals, Thakur Pratap Singh founded the Alwar kingdom in 1770. The remnants of the princely legacy can be seen in the Alwar City Museum. Behind the city palace is the iconic Musi Maharani Ki Chhatri, built in honor of Maharaja Bhaktawar Singh's wife, Rani Musi. Another spectacular palace is the Lake Palace at Silisere. Built by Maharaja Vinay Singh for his favourite queen in 1845, it then became a hunting lodge. This is one of the most breathtaking sights you will see here. A vibrant and historic city, you can also get a sense of the flavours of Alwar through its food. The sumptuous and famous milk cake or kalakand, and its rich golden fried kachoris. Defined by its topography and embellished by its history, the region of Alwar is truly a gem hugging the Aravallis.
The Mount Lake Farms, in the lap of nature.